So, which generator makes sense for your business? GS1 QR codes are quickly becoming the next standard for how products connect to digital information. And with Sunrise 2027 on horizon, more brands are now realizing that this isn't just a marketing trend, it's infrastructure. A GS1 Digital Link QR code isn't just code, it's a way of connecting to a new physical product to standardized, structured data for business operations, while simultaneously providing tailored digital experiences for consumers, all from one barcode. But here's where a lot of businesses get stuck, because once you decide that you need GS1 QR code, which tool should you actually use? So today I want to break down clearly and practically, no jargon, just how the landscape works in 2026 and how to choose a platform that won't box you in later. So let's start with a quick reset. Traditional QR codes were mostly about links. So you scan and you go to a page, it's simple. But GS1 Digital Link QR codes are different. They embed standardized identifiers like GTINs, batch numbers, expiry dates, and serials directly into the structure of the QR code. That means the same code can now serve different destinations depending on the context. A consumer sees product information, a retailer gets product identification. A regulator sees compliance details. This is why the tool you choose really matters. Some platforms treat GS1 as an add-on and others are built around it from the start. So before talking about any brand, here's what actually matters once GS1 QR codes move from theory to real packaging. Here are the things you want to look for. Native GS1 digital link support, proper structured GS1 fields like GTINs, batch or lot expiry, and serial, the ability to update destinations after codes are printed, bulk generation for multiple SKUs, analytics that show how codes are being scanned, and importantly, a setup your non-technical team can actually use. With that in mind, let's take a look at how different GS1 QR codes generators position themselves. Digital Link Conexiom. Conexiom offers a clean user interface with easy to understand steps, making it accessible for teams getting started with GS1 Digital Link. It allows free unlimited child QR codes. These are codes with the same GTIN but different additional data. However, the types of data you can embed in the code are limited. QR code customization on is limited. Since QR codes are everywhere now, the standard black and white design is usually ignored by consumers. Additionally, when I was testing it, I found an issue where the HRI number below the QR code, some parts of it are cut off, for example, after downloading it, so hopefully they will fix it soon. Next is Orca Scan. Orca Scan's interface looks like an Excel sheet, so those used to spreadsheet will feel at home, but it does have features that need learning to use effectively. The issue is that they also only allow GTINs only input with no other data, which is problematic. If you want detailed product tracing, similar to Conexiom, you are limited to a standard black and white QR code design. Next is True QR Code. True QR Code is an all-in-one QR code solution with just 3 easy steps, making it straightforward to get started. Where it falls short, however, is the flexibility and practicality. It doesn't allow additional data besides from the GTINs in the URL, which makes it limited for effective tracing. They also allow too much customization, pattern changes, and adding logos can affect scan speed or cause scans to fail entirely at checkout. It's important to remember that GS1 Digital Link QR codes are not the same as standard QR codes. They follow strict design standards, and only minor changes are allowed. Next is QR Planet. QR Planet is a mature generation, general purpose QR platform which has solid infrastructure. It is scalable and reliable. QR Planet allows multiple data fields besides the GTIN, which is what QR codes should do, giving the flexibility needed for proper product tracing. However, the issue is the same. When it comes to QR code customization, it's just too much. Drastic changes in these patterns, like adding logos or tight frames, could really be problematic. The code may still work because it has what it's called error correction, but that feature is meant to help damage code scan, not to compensate for design choices. This is not something that you should risk. So scan delays or worse cause scan failures. Next is SmartLinks. SmartLinks offer a comprehensive product page building feature that your code can link to, giving you flexibility in how you present product information to consumers. Though it also adds complexity. The trade-off is that it only allows GTIN and no other data. And we already discussed what happens if this is the case: limited traceability and reduced effectiveness for supply chain application. Now let's talk about QR Tiger. QR Tiger is designed for businesses that needs GS1 compliance without unnecessary complexity. It's a purpose-built GS1 Digital Link QR code generator with guided setup for structured fields like GTIN, batch, expiry, and serial numbers. You can dynamically edit destinations even after codes are printed. You can generate GS1 QR codes in bulk across multiple SKUs, and you get built-in analytics that are easy to understand for both marketing and operation teams. The interface is also quite straightforward, which matters when GS1 QR codes need to be managed by more than just technical staff. Its QR code customization is just right, not none and not too much. You have the flexibility to make your code visually engaging without compromising scannability or compliance with GS1 standards. So how do you decide? If you want free child GS1 QR codes, Conexiom may make sense. If your focus is operational scanning and inventory, Orca Scan fits well. If you want to build complex product pages, SmartLinks is worth exploring. But if you are looking for a business-ready solution that works across different teams without over-engineering, then QR Tiger is a very practical choice. The takeaway here is simple. GS1 QR codes are becoming the standard. The generator you choose today shapes how easily you can scale tomorrow. If you're preparing for Sunrise 2027 and want a platform that's ready without overwhelming your team, QR Tiger is the one for you. And for transparency, we've linked every platform mentioned so that you can compare them yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little bit on the more technical side, so let me know if you have any comments. I know that QR code is something that we may have forgotten, but in recent years, I think it's absolutely making its comeback, and it's something that I find myself using regularly. I should also mention that QR code is integrated with our favorite online design app, which is Adobe Express. I've also included a link below. Thank you so much for watching. Share this with a friend or a colleague, and I'll see you next time. Bye!